Okay, well, I've had it for a year. I'll show you some of the things I've broke and fixed and added. For one, today I added these guys so I can lift stuff with the chain on the bucket. Pretty cool. I bent those brackets up down there, so I had to order new ones. And there was a lot of grease in these zerts, and sand had gotten in there in all the joints, so I pressure washed that, and I put some degreaser on it and pressure washed it and got all the blasted all the old grease off. In a few minutes I'm going to put new grease all over it and change the oil. I got just about 200 hours on it right now, and I broke this piece, this plastic side piece here. It cost $1,003 to replace. I bent this little bracket down here. I don't know if you can see it, but had to order a new one from Japan. I take it back in November to get it replaced. These lights, I broke them off on the brush. I've got to order new ones. I put the Power Beyond kit on here because I got a limb saw and it takes 7 gallons per minute to run it. And when I hooked it up to the front, it's only 1/4 inch hose, and I was getting 1.3 gallons per minute out of it. It's not enough to run it. So I ran new hydraulic hose, and then I had to buy a electric solenoid so I can switch it, turn the hydraulics on and off. It's got a circulating valve, so it runs from that back up underneath up into there and it back. I put a toolbox on here. I mounted it on the I didn't want to drill any holes, so I put this plate on here with bolts to hold it on, and that's what I have the hydraulics bolted into. So then I put a toolbox on here so I can put things in here like hydraulic fittings and chainsaw blades and other little knick-knack things that I might need when I'm out in the field. Nothing too heavy. I put a pole, and then I've got 2 cameras up there. One points down so I can see the bucket when I'm loading things, and the other one points up so I can see the limb saw when I'm cutting limbs. I replaced the halogen lights with LED lights, and I did that in the back also. I also have a backup camera so I can see what's going on. And then I got a quick connect, category 1 quick connect, so I don't have to battle the 3-point connections. I think that's about it on the outside. Broke this light also. I have to get another one. And in the inside, I replaced the seat with a deluxe seat, so now it has cushion in it. I could barely sit in it for an hour before. And of course a cell phone mount. And here's where my cameras are on the inside. You can see there, I can see out the front. Now I can see up top. The problem is from where I'm sitting, I can't look up and see the limb saw. I have to lean really far forward to be able to look up and see it. And I'm old, I just can't do that anymore. And there's the reverse camera. We've got everything wired in. This is a switch that runs the limb saw, forward and reverse on the chainsaw. I haven't drilled any holes in here mounting any of this. It might have been a little bit nicer if I would have drilled holes, but I just can't drill holes. This is the only new thing I've ever gotten in my life, and I'm not going to drill holes in it, so anyhow, that doesn't seem like that much once I walk around and show it, but it's been a pretty long year, and still running really good. Still looks good, nothing broken on it. The things that I broke, I've replaced. So yeah, that's it. 200 hours, 1 year.